Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at the moment, but as you can tell, Halloween and Christmas is coming, and it's coming fast and hard. It's taken over. I bought quite a few things from COLOURPOP. I bought the High School Musical collection, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail, and I bought some other bits and bobs, and I just thought, I wonder if people would actually want me to do a haul in this. I did a W7 haul recently and it did so well, and I thought actually maybe people do want to see this. So I picked up some things, like I said, from COLOURPOP. Ta-da! I'm honestly so excited to show you what's in here so I can actually start using it. I don't know if I'm going to do a review because I didn't buy this stuff with the intent to do a review. I was thinking if I did do like a High School Musical review, I was just going to do it over on TikTok. So please go follow me on TikTok because most like COLOURPOP stuff I'll probably do over there because it just doesn't do well on my channel. It just doesn't, unfortunately. That's why I wasn't sure whether to do this haul, but you wanted to see it, so I'm going to do it for you. Anyways, moving on. So I picked up some stuff from the High School Musical collection. Oh my god, when they announced this, I was just like, what is going on? I am absolutely buzzing. High School Musical was like out when I was in secondary school, like early years of secondary school. It's like year 8, year 9. I absolutely loved it. Like it says on here, class of 08. In 2008, I was in year 8. Honestly, it's part of my childhood. Oh, I just love it. I used to literally watch it and then put it back on again, and then watch it, put it back on again. I was just obsessed. So I got the Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this. And then the inside, obviously, it looks like this as well. And then inside, we're all in this together. This is what it looks like. Ugh. So it has, like, obviously, all of the main characters' little autographs. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. These shimmers in this look phenomenal. Like, they look so good. As soon as it came, I took pictures, I shared it in my Patreon group, and I did like videos, and like it, even just a video with no flash, it just sparkled like, oh, honestly, so excited. So it has like creme brulee, big game, was that a cell phone? Chad, Gabriella, Student Body, Twinkletown, Ryan, Something New. It's the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you, whoa. And now looking in your eyes, feeling my heart, the start of something. Anyways, Sharp Hair, Troy, obviously Sharp Hair is the sparkly pink, of course. Sheep Baskets, Taylor, Detention, yeah. Oh, I just love it, absolutely. Love it. Like, this is just one that I just wanted for my collection because I never ever really order anything from COLOURPOP, so you knew how excited I was for this collection, for me to put an order in and pay the amount that you have to pay for like customs and everything. So the other thing that I picked up from the collection is all 3 of the blushes. I was only going to buy 2, but then Alex was getting all 3. And then I think Jodie did Jodie get just 2 or 3? But then Cardi was going to get them and Lizzie was going to get them, and I was like, I feel left out here. I'm going to get 4 more. So I got all 3, and I'm so glad that I did. So we have 3 different ones, obviously, and we have Wildcats, Playoffs, and then Freaky Genius Girl. So we'll start with Wildcats first. It just looks like this. So this is one that I wasn't sure whether I was going to pick up or not, but now that it's came, I feel like this is going to be a very perfect, like, everyday, if you're not sure what blush you want to put with like a makeup look, this will be like the go-to one. And it has the little Wildcats logo in it. It's actually nicer in person than what it looked like online, so I am really glad that I picked that up. The second one is Playoffs, which looks like this. This one is more of a pink one that has the little foot prints in it. Really, really cute. And then last but not least, we have Freaky Genius Girl, and then this is what that one looks like. And obviously that has the EHS in it for East High School. Honestly, just fucking love it. Fucking love it. Fucking love it. So excited. Anyways, moving onwards. So that was what I got, because the other things in the collection didn't really interest me. I think there was like like eyeliner pencils. I'm not really going to reach for them. And was there something else? Oh, there was like lip crayons, but I was like, I'm not really going to use them. Didn't want to waste my pennies. I just wanted to get the things that I was like really excited for. So yeah, I got them. And I thought, do you know what, whilst I'm here, I never really do a ColourPop order. I'll order a couple of things that I've been wanting to pick up. So I only picked up 3 other things, but they are beautiful. So the first thing that I picked up is the Super Shock bronzer. This one is in the shade Beachin. This one is a matte one. So this looks like it's really dark, but when I swatched it, it's like the perfect colour. So obviously this is just what the packaging looks like. And then I also wasn't sure whether to get this because I don't think I actually like the Super Shock formula. But this was like years and years and years ago, so I thought I'll just try it and see. And then this is what it looks like. You can see where I've swatched it. This is just what it looks like. Doesn't really smell of anything. Don't know why I sniff everything, but it doesn't really smell of anything. So yeah, I picked that up just so I thought, I'll just try it. It's something new, isn't it? So yeah. And I think it was in the sale, or I managed to get like a 10% off code. I think I used Trend Moods code or something as well. All about saving them pennies where I can. And then I also got this bronzer. This is the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. And I got this because Emma Fleming talks about it. So I got the shade Medium Dark because I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be the right colour for me. And I thought if it's a bit too dark, most of my cream bronzers probably suit me more so when I'm pale. So if I got a darker one, then maybe it would suit me more so when I'm fake tanned. I just thought if it's a bit dark, then that's not too bad. I'd rather it be too dark than too light for me. I can just go over a lighter hand. So this is obviously the Medium Dark Face and Body Bronzing Balm. This is just what it looks like. Nice and orange, which I love. Love me some orange. It actually looks more orange on screen than it actually does in person. Yeah, so excited to try that because I heard such good things, and that's the one that smells amazing. I knew there was one that smelled really nice, and it's that one. It smells so good. And then last but not least, I picked up this because, again, I think it was in the sale, but also it's the only thing, like I went through the full website because I was like, let me see if there's anything else that I've wanted that I just forget about. Because I try, if I want something really bad, I try to forget about it just to try and save money because I'm saving for a house. Do you know what I mean? But this is just the one palette that every time I see it in pictures, I'm like, oh, it's so fucking cute. So I got this. This is the ColourPop Clear It Kiln Pressed Powder Palette. And it's just like the perfect soft glam, night out, sexy eye makeup. Oh, it's just beautiful. Ooh. I actually just landed on my leg. So this is what it looks like. I mean, even this far away, you can tell that the shimmers are sexy. Like, it's absolutely stunning. And I love that there's kind of like a really, really warm, like reddy pinky undertone to all of these, because when I've got green eyes, so this really makes my eyes pop. Oh my god, I'm just so excited to try this. Again, it's probably one that I would just try in my own time. It's not one that I got like for YouTube, which is so, like, this whole haul is so rare for me because I normally buy things just really for the sake of YouTube, that things that interest me. Is that like a, what's that one? Is that one's cream? I didn't know that. Is that meant to be like a lipstick? But it doesn't say anything, it just says pressed powder palette. Yeah, I'm well confused. Right, I've had to look on the website because like I was just like, what? But it says rich terracotta shades, peachy nudes and earthy bronze in matte, metallic and creme finishes. Our creme formula features a beautiful creamy sheen and won't dry out. There's only one that's like that though, isn't there? Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. That'd actually make a really, really nice lipstick colour. I might try it as a lipstick. I didn't know that. Okay, very interesting. This is one that I bought because I personally just really, really liked it. It wasn't one that I was thinking, oh, I'll do a YouTube video on, which is so rare. Like, this whole order was me being like, what would Lucy actually want without Lucy YouTube brain being switched on? So yeah, this is why I wasn't going to do a haul on it, because it wasn't something that I bought to be like, oh, I'll do a ColourPop haul, I'll do reviews. It's just because I thought, actually, I would really like to try these things on YouTube or in my own time. I would really like to try these. So yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing with my order. So everything came up to, it was like, I think it was like 100, just over £100 spot on. But obviously that includes shipping and customs. I think shipping was free, so I think it was customs and tax that it all added up to as well. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think. The High School Musical stuff, I probably will do it on TikTok because this month and next month and even December's month is going to be crazy for videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Love you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon. Love you. Bye.